going to scrap out a microwave right now. They're pretty simple. Couple of screws along the back. Couple of screws on the bottom. Inside here, behind all this, once this comes off, there's a real nice transformer, a couple hunks of wire, and a couple little copper bearing motors. I'll show you what it looks like as we go along here. Screws down there on the bottom are a security screw. So if I clean up my bits here, see these Torx with the hole in it? Those are the security screw bits. I gotta dig through here and find it. I'll be right back. Security screw is out. I found the right tool. Hammer and a chisel. I got the right bit over here somewhere, but I'm not going to dig through 100 bits just to find it. It's only 2 screws. So, couple hits with the hammer and chisel does the same job. There's the cover all ripped off. Don't get excited, that's not stainless. The magnet sticks to it. It goes as light iron. But most of you guys know that already. So we'll take this out right here. Pop out these 4 screws. Pull this little bit of wire out. Somebody already cut the cord from the side of the road. But that's fine with me. They could have the cord. We'll take the transformer. That's what we're after right there. Transformer. There's copper in here. There's copper in here. And you could break these open here. Cut them open. I'll take a few of these screws out. We'll get some of this, the rest of this apart here. A little board in there, nothing special. I'm going to cut off a couple of the pieces I want from it, throw them in a bin, and then just let the board go as low grade. It's only low grade anyways, but I might as well take off the transformer and a couple of the chips. Inside there, see that copper winding on the back of the fan motor? Make sure you want to take that out too. That's bare bright copper. Few screws up here, like I said. And the transformer is bolted in. 4 screws come right out. I'll go through everything that you get out of it in a minute. I'll lay it all out on the bench. Now that the bench is clean and we can actually see what we're doing. Now one more thing to get out, just that board I showed you earlier. A couple screws. I don't know if you can see them in there. Right there on the top. I'll take it out, I'll be right back. Don't forget in here on the bottom, they have, most of them have a turntable, and there's a little motor in there. Some of them have a screw down here. Some of them you have to just break open. But there's a nice motor in there. Nice copper winding. 2 screws. 1, 2. Take that motor right out. A lot of people forget, right behind here, behind these buttons, there's all silver. Pure silver. It's on a sheet, just like inside of a keyboard. Usually you could peel this off up here. Let me see. See right here? That's pure silver. Just got to get it off the Mylar. But that's pure silver. I'll take it out. I'll be back in a minute. There's the silver. Some yards will buy these sheets like this. You could cut them up. You could cut this off so they lay flat. Do whatever you want. There's places online that'll buy them. But I save them and just keep piling them up. They're only about as thick as a business card. So I'll hold on to them until we figure out a real easy way to get the silver off without so much acid that'll kill us. For now, I just stockpile them. That's what you get. 1 strip of silver. Always have fresh coffee. This transformer. The new microwaves, sometimes this winding is copper coated aluminum. So cut a couple of them. This is pure copper. 1 there. 1 there. See it in there? And these will break. See that weld right there? Hit that with a chisel a few times or a wedge, and this will break right off. This here I throw in with #1 steel. And then I get the 2 chunks of copper out of there. And that's going to be a couple pounds of copper all by itself. These motors, I take them apart. They're really not that bad. This here breaks off. And then there's all copper winding in there. It pulls right out nice and easy. But for now, I just stockpile them in the bin. One day, we're going to do that. Here's the board. I'll take off this transformer over here. Sometimes I rip these off. Little piece of brass inside there. I might leave them on just for the weight for the low grade board. I'll take off this IC chip right here. And save those in a bin. Rest, low grade board. There's a hunk of copper in here. Sometimes aluminum down in there. Gotta bust it open and see what's in there. This usually pays about what a ballast pays. Right now they're worthless, but pile them up. These switches, There's brass inside them. Hit them with a hammer. They break right open. There's 2 chunks of brass in there. Pop out those 2 screws. Hit the fan with a hammer. You can break that off the shaft. And then you got this nice, again, beer bright copper winding. So, a lot of guys just throw this microwave right into light iron. They don't look at anything. They don't care. They take the 3 cents a pound and move on. But you could turn this into way more than maybe $1 if you're lucky. Take a little bit of time. Take it apart. Everybody's got plenty of time right now while we're on lockdown. So it's a good time to go through your stockpile of junk. Then I use inside here, little compartment. Throw all the garbage in there. I'll take the fan motor off, throw the plastic right in the microwave, close the door, send it to the scrapyard. Okay, one last look. This is everything you get out of a microwave. Big transformer, little sheet of silver, obviously the light iron from the microwave shell itself, hunk of insulated wire, bare bright copper, just got to pull it off the winding, copper bearing, a small board, transformer right here, rip that off. Big transformer, nice solid copper inside. 2 copper bearing little motors. And here's those switches. That's what's inside, a little bit of brass. Just smash them with a hammer, they come right apart. So, that's what you could expect from a microwave. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share this video. Check out my other videos. Let me know if you got any questions or comments. Leave them down below. See you on the next one. Thank you. Oh. Coffee's down. Day's over. Just trying to clean up and get ready for the next project. Oh no. I think I gotta take the rest of the day off. I spilled my coffee. Luckily, it was right at the end. Now I'm gonna have to go make another one. I'll be back with a fresh cup.